I've been speaking so many languages at a time. It was really hard. I speak Bahasa Malaysia, Bahasa Indonesia, Little Indian, and English. That's all I speak every day. Every day and every day. It was really very difficult to be speaking in so many languages at a time. There are times we could not understand each other. It's really difficult. I tell you, it's not easy to really to work hard with a lot of different kind of nationality at one time or another. It was really hard, really. It's not a joke to be working with somebody that don't understand English at all. That's it. Some understand, but I like the Indian people. Indian people really speak English well, but not as the Malaysian or Indonesian. Malaysian is much better than Indonesian because Indonesian doesn't really speak good English. I've been trying to be a good teacher